This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are going to assemble the Heart Valentine box card. And so the first thing that I want to do is identify the front and the back piece, and that will be these two pieces. And you'll know them because one side is wider than the other. And then we will just fold this on the score lines. And I want to go ahead and put these two pieces together. And you just want to take this right up to the score line. Okay. Just like that. Then I think I will put this piece on. Just take your time and get that lined up good. There we are. Okay. Now that will help place these pieces. And you're going to have a slight border all the way around. Even around the interior part. Okay. There we go. And then these go on the two side pieces. And again, there is a border just slightly around everything. Now, if you want, you could leave this like that, but there is a heart to put on the inside. Now, this heart is for, I think it's for the outside. Let me take a look real quick. Yes, it is meant to be for your sentiment on the back side of your card. This piece is. Okay, and just eyeball that border. Now these, you have to flip your card over because these tabs fold down and you want them to be on the right side. So they go on the opposite side. And I saved this piece, but that was the cutout from this. So if you wanted just a smaller piece on the back, if you didn't want to glue this whole piece down for writing on, you could just use this cutout and save some paper if you wanted. So there is that part. Then the insert is very simple. It's just one heart. There you are. And that just has a little bit of a border. Then you're going to fold the tabs. And this is going to sit down right inside here. Okay, so have your tabs out flat. Put glue on your tab. Lay this down on the inside. Push it right into that back corner. Apply pressure to get that good stuck down. And then, now this time our side piece is over here on this side. So I'm just going to put glue here. Then I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to fold it both ways. Add some glue here to this tab. And close it up. And there is the heart Valentine, and I just need to put my piece for my sentiment on the back. There we go. So that gives you a really nice, pretty spot for writing on. And that is the Heart Valentine box card. Thank you for joining me.